Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Kolte Patil developers. Our analyst has a positive view on Kolte Patil considering its strong growth visibility in its key regions driven by its capital efficient model. The management has a pre-sales guidance of Rs 2800 crore and Rs 3500 crore for FY24 and FY25 respectively. The business development target stands at Rs 8000 crore for FY24. Revenue booking is pegged at Rs 1500 crore and Rs 2000 crore for FY24 and FY25 respectively. Operating profit margins are slated to rise significantly in FY26. The company is at the cusp of strong growth trajectory, led by strong momentum in its flagship LR project, sustenance sale from other Pune project, and upcoming launches in Mumbai. Next on radar is Radico Khaitan. Our analysts reiterate a buy on Radico Khaitan with a revised price target of Rs 1,965. Growth led by premiumization and focus on leaner balance sheet makes it a strong play in domestic liquor space. Strong growth in premium brands, industry-leading growth in white spirits, and scale-up of recent launches will drive 15 to 18% volume growth in P&A category. Exit margins of 14 to 15% by FY24, likely to improve by 300-350 bps in next 3 years. Debt to fall sharply by FY26. The stock trades at 51 times FY25 and 41 times FY26 estimated EPS.
For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing. Investment in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.